Preparation for the direct restoration. These are the list of instruments we are using. First is the diagnostic set. Single mirror. All kinds of composite applicators that might the doctor need. And also the hand scaler. Now we will arrange the things. The basic diagnostic set on the doctor's side. On the nurse's side, we will put the single mirror. These are composite applicators along with the hand scaler that the doctor need. Then we need Vaseline and cotton rolls for the moisturizer for the patient's lips. Topical anesthesia. STA needle and lidocaine carpules. High-speed handpiece. Burrs. Phosphoric etching 37%. L-pop bonding. Restorative material. Composite flowable. Composite packable. GCP. Matrix band system available. Wedges. Articulating paper, which is used to test the bite of the patient. Light cure ready. Bite blocker. And we need extra cotton for the isolation during direct restoration.